Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the most dangerous topic. That is the creation of cities, basically, and that basically color is brown. That also you can see. It's a very dangerous topic. So one of the top person told that basically 20% really basically error is there here basically, and somebody is solving that also basically. And but this way basically I never expected this. So one of the person told that basically the plane basically which is getting crashed basically, that 100 plane basically in Himalaya and Everest mountain basically, that might be 100% basically, might not, but 99% is, after this watching this video basically I also feel that basically that might be correct. And the land basically which is getting separate basically, that also basically might be correct basically, because this is the only possibility basically, so that the world basically can't track anything basically. So one of the person told that yaar ye idea kisko mila basically, how basically he got this idea, who was that internet basically master basically who got this idea basically. Actually he was satellite guy basically, who basically might have got this idea basically. 100% basically, because earth land basically people can basically help basically to create the internet data, because they only basically might have created the internet data na, basically from here data is coming, here data is coming, there this basically datas are coming. So they only basically might have designed this na? And according to that satellite group basically they might have designed. So one of the person asked, yeah, basically who is that basically guy basically who actually got this dangerous idea which actually changed the world basically. Literally world basically has changed na, basically the world basically Asian country, sorry, Asia land basically is getting separated, so that world is basically getting changed. So one of the person told that basically, if this is possible then basically I sometimes feel that basically the world reshaping basically is getting, or basically it's not getting basically, that sometime basically world comes here, sometime the mountain basically from here to there basically mountain goes, from there mountain to there this mountain basically goes and stuck to this place. That type of activity is happening, or basically it's not happening basically. Then one of the person told that might be happening, and basically anything is possible basically. One of the person told this also basically, anything basically might be possible after this hearing this everything basically. Then one of the person told that basically one why basically might be, why that satellite group basically might be doing this all the thing basically. Then might be possible that nobody can track the data na, basically. That might be the possible basically, so that nobody basically in this world basically can track this. Nobody, not world basically, it's a uh, control basically, so that basically nobody can take the control basically. Just to take over the control basically, just see basically what are the activities the people or set of people basically are doing. So it might possible basically, so anything basically might be possible basically. So one of the person told that basically are really basically it's like that, or basically. So one of the person told that basically now basically I feel that basically this might be possible here basically, because this is the only way basically. One of the person told that this is the only way basically to do the things basically. So one of the person told that yeah. Then one of the person told that basically who is that software company are basically who are basically handling the entire data science project. So that is the, I told one of the person has told basically it's a union basically of the entire Asia basically. It's a union basically, and mostly basically this is the only reason basically. That's why basically they told that basically we are one basically, like this basically somebody has told this basically. So possibilities are basically there basically, So just see basically up to what level the things basically is connected. 200 people basically got disease. 20% global warming error. Somebody is solving also. Just see basically how basically is solving global warming error basically. That means the person basically who told that basically, I think war basically already started long before only basically. The war has started long before only basically. One of the person told that basically, do you know basically First World War, Second World War data? Yeah, that I know. That basically created one Gujarati caste basically. And like this basically is handling the Gujarati caste. That is basically just, it might not be wrong also basically. It might be wrong also basically. It might be correct also basically. Like this, one of the person told that, do you know basically Nair caste basically how it was created? I think one of the president basically died, and he basically created Nair caste basically. Might be 100% basically. I'm not sure basically. Like this basically, Iyer caste also is like that basically. So anything is possible basically. Any second. Reason, after this incident basically, that is the land basically gets, but they are professional group na basically. The satellite groups are very professional group basically. Professional group means you will never able to know that basically the land basically has shifted from, sorry, the Asia land has shifted from the entire earth planet, and they have done some 2 to 3 minutes activities, and then again basically the Asia land basically merged with the earth planet land basically. Nobody in this world basically can track this. That is impossible basically to track only basically this. But few blog basically say that basically that type of activity basically is happening directly basically. They can't tell basically. Directly it's not possible to say basically. Otherwise basically they will create problem to your in your life basically. They will not give you job in software company. They will not give you money also basically. They will not able to allow, the system basically will not give you salary also basically. They will not allow you to work in the software company also basically. Like this also basically they do basically. But that is basically the mentality na basically. So now again back to that data science project basically. The data science project basically, which is getting handled by the 100 software companies, and the 100 big software companies are handling this, and that 100 big software companies basically are handling the small software company, because this is the only way basically to keep the entire software companies control basically. Because the data science project basically, that is the main thing basically. If anybody will create the big level some utilities basically, and anybody basically will he basically created some big utilities, then basically the big software company has to track that basically. Because from utility basically, if he tracked that information, then basically what he will do. So that's why basically each and every small software companies are also basically controlled by the big software companies only. So that basically if anybody creates the utilities, then also that single utilities also basically are connected with the software companies, that are the big software companies. So that means big software companies are watching each and every activities of the small software companies, because they only basically have created this big software company. Directly they will never say that basically we have created. Why? Because it might possible anything basically will happen basically, then basically what you will do. And that 4 lakh people basically dying, that also is there na basically. So they are basically securing themselves also basically. So that's also is there basically. That also is basically there.